What's up, guys? Today's video is on the 18 coolest gadgets that are worth buying. Stay with us to the end of the video because we have a fantastic gadget that will someday save your life. But before we get straight to the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Lightsaber Umbrella. An umbrella to show those around you which side you're on. The model offers 7 lighting options and a built-in flashlight. This umbrella is 32 inches long, and the dome width is from 35 to 39 inches depending on the model. The weapons of the famous characters in the universe are available for purchase. This model is 35 inches long and the dome is 39 inches wide. The strap is equipped with dual batteries that will be needed for the operation. Number 2. USB Power Bank. Here's a beautiful power bank that combines all the latest features and unique designs of a modern power bank. We often look at something on our phones even when charging, which is why this power bank has a compact portable design for simultaneous use, equipped with 2 fast charging outputs, a USB-C and a standard USB. In addition, the gadgets support a wireless charging up to 10 watts and 10,000 milliamp hour capacity. This allows it to fully charge the iPhone 11 Pro almost 3 times. The power bank has some well-directed indicators to show you the battery level and charging status. I must also add that the stand is a fantastic idea. Number 3. Claw Machine. Claw machines are probably the most controversial thing in the world, but kids love them. Now you can get a smaller version so they can play it at home. The toy is made of high-quality, non-toxic materials, and the rounded edges ensure maximum safety. All the game elements are present, including flashing lights, music, and the sound of applause. The music level is adjustable and can also be completely muted. You can fill the box with any prizes, including small toys, candies, and chewing gum. You have to insert one of the tokens included in the package, which is undoubtedly better than real money. Number 4. Wooden Floor Lamp. And here's an excellent lamp for your living room or office with adjustable arms and legs. You can choose different positions for this wooden man lamp. You'll have to assemble the lamp yourself, which should be extremely easy. And the great thing is, now this lamp is actually about the size of a 5'4" guy. As an additional warm light source, it can be great for reading or just illuminating your room of choice. Number 5. Dog Table Lamp. Also, check out this great design from the same manufacturer. It's a small cute dog that stands on your desk. It supports various positions and brightness levels. I think these two would make a great combo. Number 6. Beer Dispenser. This gadget will save you the money you spend in pubs as it brings delicious draft beer right to your home. Place a can or bottle of regular beer into this dispenser. It supports all kinds of beer, including stouts, porters, IPAs, and so on. The zinc and titanium alloys used in the gadget ensure excellent durability and a clean look for years. Number 7. Wine Condoms. We have something for wine lovers as well. Now, it might sound a little weird, but these are wine condoms and they're extremely useful. They'll come to your rescue if you open a bottle and haven't finished it. It will suit any bottle size and various kinds of beverages. The rubbers provide a tight seal, keeping the freshness of your drink and preventing spills, unlike regular bottle stoppers. These fun accessories won't add much to the bottle length, making it easier to store. In addition, these are probably the first condoms that are entirely reusable, and they make a hilarious gift. Number 8. Star Trek Frigobar. Have you heard of the new Xbox fridge? There's a similar gadget that might look like a mysterious relic, but it's a mini fridge inspired by Star Trek. Number 9. Borg Microcube. This exceptional PC case comes from the same universe, a small compact tower case only 6 inches long. When turned on, the black cube begins to glow with green light. Thanks to the built-in lenses, it supports small ATX motherboards and 2 internal memory drives. In addition, you can install CPU water cooling and a DVD/Blu-ray drive. It is an officially guaranteed Star Tour, which is very important for fans. Number 10. Snaptane Mini Drone. We've seen drones with shiny parts, but this one is different. It's completely covered with LED strips from the inside out, making it glossy and bright. It has 3 different remote controls that allow you to control the drone with standard buttons or precise hand gestures. Infrared sensors will enable the drone to avoid various obstacles automatically and can perform multiple tricks such as a 3D flip or flying in circles. Number 11. Dissim Inverted Lighter. A lighter is a simple gadget, so how could anyone improve it? Well, check out this innovative lighter which allows for inverted usage. Now you won't burn your finger when using it upside down. That's a common issue, especially for those who like candles at home. The circle grip in the case makes the lighter easy to hold in any position. The fuel tank inside is easily refillable thanks to the premium materials. This lighter will serve you for years. It also has a lifetime warranty, and you get a special waterproof case for storage and travel. Number 12. 3D metal spider. So this thing right here is a very unusual Bluetooth speaker. Some would say it's creepy, but it's a fun and developing toy for kids and adults. It comes as a DIY kit, so you'll have to assemble the spider on your own. There are 170 pieces to put together, so that it might be challenging for a beginner. In the end, you'll get an excellent accessory for your desk with an integrated Bluetooth speaker. All DIY fans must give it a try. Number 13. Titanium Tritium Keychain. Here's a pretty cool keyring that has a bright look and some elegant features. The tritium gas inside allows it to glow in the dark, and it does so without any batteries or charging. It might be helpful in emergencies. There are various color options available. The accessory is waterproof and extremely durable. Number 14. Portable Photo Video Printer. If you still can't print a live photo, you need the right printer and augmented reality with this gadget called LivePrint and a unique app. You'll bring all your memories to the life with this printer. You can print snaps, live photos, and GIFs. The printer is super compact, so you can carry it anywhere and use it on the go. It uses zinc paper, which is smudge-proof and water-resistant. Number 15. Royale RoWrite 2. A combination of modern and contemporary technology, this smart notebook can send all recorded data to the owner's smartphone. A useful app allows you to sync your phone or download data over time when it is most appropriate. Note PHI is compatible with all A5 paper options. A smart pen and 5 refills are included. The program understands 12 languages and can store files such as PDF, MP4, and JPEGs. You can also share anything on social media and add or remove the watermark if necessary, and private mode will protect your drawings and text with a password. Number 16. Aqua Bloom. An exciting gadget for fans of gardening and greenhouses. This gadget will help them with watering. The gadget is solar powered and doesn't require a water connection. A bucket of water is enough with 14 watering programs to choose from. It has the power to water up to 20 plants and can pump water up to 13 feet high. The set has everything you need. The system is assembled in 5 simple steps. In addition, it takes very little space because the unit is barely 5 inches wide. Number 17. Jizolife Handheld Mini Fan. This pocket fan has a battery that lasts 48 hours and can be used as a power bank and flashlight. This gadget weighs more than 4 ounces and comes with a belt for easy carrying. The 2000 milliamp version will be sufficient for about 20 hours of fan work. There's also a protection system. If you touch the rotating blades with your finger, it will stop automatically. Number 18. O2 Health Ring. Healthcare machines are gaining popularity these days, and for good reason. The smart O2 ring helps deal with several problems such as snoring and sleep by regularly measuring your oxygen levels, heart rate, and body movements. The ring will vibrate slightly so you can move without waking up. The gadget is very compact and comfortable to wear and comes with the PC, Mac, and mobile apps collecting your sleep and health data, which you can instantly share with your doctor. In addition, the ring is compatible with an Apple charger with a standard USB and works for 16 hours on a full charge. This innovative new way is to sleep well and end your busy day. So that's all for now. Comment on which of these products you're going to buy. See you in the next video. Kudos!